What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there on this Friday? Hello. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Happy Freedom Friday. We're back on this Friday to do a quick update on 8-Bit Farm, our new project that we got started in recently. Gonna go over it a little bit because today is the last day of the promo. All right, that's the thing I want to bring to you guys' attention. Last day of the promo. We'll go over it in a second because actually it ends midnight. We'll go over it. All right, so welcome to Farmers. If you haven't checked out my crypto project, guys, crypto projects, go to the link in the description at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out, see what I got going on. All right, so let's just go over this just a little bit. This is a new project, recently got launched. I don't know what, 3 weeks. I don't think it's been a month yet, but at any rate, 3 of the guys that put this together used to be in Drip. They were big time investors over there, and they put this together. All right, so you can find them. They are content creators as well. They have their own channels, and they cover this project. But at any rate, I decided to go in because it's something a little different for me. The farming, that is, okay, something brand new, dApps that I've never been a part of. So I want to try something different. All right, so we're in it, so let's cover it. Welcome, farmer. We deposit crypto. You deposit crypto, we farm it, and you cash out. Now, please know I am not a financial advisor, nor will I ever be, right? I'm here just to share with you guys some of these projects that I discovered that I'm actually involved in and where I put my crypto. But you must do your research, all right, and your due diligence in checking out any of these crypto projects before you park your crypto in them, and make sure when you do that you use risk capital. Okay, it's risky business, guys. All right, now let's continue. So unlike typical ROI dApps, which use Ponzonomics to satisfy investor payments, 8-Bit Farm uses a series of unique crypto farming strategies to create real external revenue. The core team hand selects a portfolio of strategic concentrated liquidity pools, then farms them to generate fees, offering a dynamic approach to yield generation. In simple terms, you add investment capital to our 8-bit liquidity pool. We deploy it across our strategic farming positions, and you receive your share of the profits in real time. Then, at the end of the term, you selected, your initial investment capital is returned to you. All right? Love it. All right? So this is 7 days a week that you can earn crypto rewards. All right? So I'm going to end up actually showing it to you via my phone here in a moment because we're going to go over the new results in liquidity pool that they've got. But just want to cover this just a little bit though. So if we go into, you won't see my farms. Let me show you this because I'm going to show you on my phone. But here are the 3 terms that they have, right? They have the 50 days, so you can hire yourself a farmer. So 50 days, your return is 0.11% per day. Okay, 7 days a week. They have the 150 days, 0.22% per day. They have the 250 days at 0.4% per day. That's the promo. That ends today. Okay, this evening, I think at 11:59. We'll go over it in a minute. But the normal rate is 0.33. Okay, but they offered this promo starting the 28th. All right, and it ends today. So today is the last day to get this 0.4% per day. And it says right here, promo rate. Okay. Now, they also have this little calculator deal here that you can play around with, right, before making your deposit. Let's say you did want to take advantage of that promo or the 250 days plan, and you decided you want to do 1,000, right? It shows you you'll be looking at $4 a day at that 0.4%, and your total rewards over 250 days is $1,000. Okay, you will earn $1,000 rewards. You get your crypto back, so your total return after 250 days is $2,000. Get your 1,000 back, and you earn 1,000. Okay, guys. So you can play around with the little calculator here. See, each term or provision has a little calculator here. All right. Now they only operate in USDT BSC. All right, on the Binance blockchain. All right. So those are the terms. Pretty cool stuff. All right, and then let's look at affiliate. Now they don't have the typical downlines and things of that nature that you normally see with the typical crypto platforms. So the way they're doing it with the affiliate program. Now, of course, you don't have to share this with anybody. You can literally come in here, pick one of these provisions, right, and just earn passively without telling a soul. Okay, hire a farmer and go about your life, set it and forget it. But if you decide you want to do this, this is how theirs work. Much different than you probably used to. So the affiliate program, when an individual uses your wallet address to make a deposit, you will earn 1 affiliate point per dollar they invest. At the conclusion of each 30-day affiliate cycle, the top 3 wallets will be awarded a complimentary 250-day stake, which will be credited to their dashboard. The value of these stakes will be determined by the total funds deposited into 8-Bit Farm during the previous affiliate cycle. Hence, the greater the total deposits, the more value the stakes. This month prize balance, and they show you that they've got a pool going here. So the way this one works, you don't actually get an affiliate link. You actually will use, as they state here, the wallet address of the person that referred you. So when you go in to create a new stake, let me show you how that will work, right? Let's say you do want to get started. You come here, you pick one of these provisions. Say you want to do 1,000. You click hire here, and right here, see right here, it says insert the referral wallet address. Okay, I put mine in the description. All right. So you would paste that wallet address here and then continue, okay? They just confirm in here the amount you want to invest, how much you're going to earn, and then right here, you have to check off that I have read and I understand the risk in this platform, and I'm happy to invest and lock up my funds for the term, okay? So you have to actually accept the terms, right? So that's how that would work. So you would put the wallet address of the person that referred you here. Okay. Pretty simple, pretty cool. There has been a little bit of a glitch in some instances. I know I've experienced, and I think that's a part of growing pains of this being a new project. Some people are using MetaMask. Some people are using Exodus, Trust, etc. All right. But I believe this is a great platform. That's just me, okay? Not telling you what to do. This is just me on my perspective on it, and that's why I decided to get started. Another stable coin, USDT, okay? And we know who the owners are. They're right here as content creators as well, okay? All right, so we've done a review on this one, so you can go check out my full review on this project. But at any rate, just wanted you to know what it's all about. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you I've added a new stake. I'm going to pull it up here on my phone here for you so you can see it. Let's go here. Hang on here. Let me get it up for you. And, okay, let's go here. Let's go back. We're going to show you. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so we're here. Let's go to my farms, which is my stakes, and you'll see they'll populate right here. See, they turn green. See right here? Here's my, and so far I've been able to get in on those promos, right? When I first got started, I came in on the last day of the promo. So I'm at the 0.4% for, let's see, what do I have? Three in here now. All right. So here are my 3. Here's the available balance. You can't cash out until you get 25. See, it says right here, minimum withdrawals 25. You can now compound. The minimum is 20. When you compound, you're going to create a new stake. Okay. So they have that option there. But yeah, I just wanted you to see that, as well as you can gift. If you come down further, I don't know if it's going to let me. Oh, there we go. See, if you come down further, it says, feeling generous, gift someone a stake of their own. Simply create a new stake, enter the stake number, enter the recipient's wallet, and press give stake. So right here, see where it says stake 1, right there. I could put in, let's say I want to put in number 0, right? I want to give somebody that $80 stake. I will put the number of the stake there, and then I will put their wallet address right there and click give stake, and boom. Okay, I would have given someone a stake. All right, guys. So that's it. Pretty cool stuff. Go check it out. Let's come out of this, and we're back. All right. So go check out 8-Bit. Liking what I'm seeing so far. Oh, did I give you the numbers? Okay, and I forgot to give you guys the total new deposits that they've got. Let's take a look so you can see that too. Hang on. All right, here's the new grand total, 525,818 USDT. Shout out to 8-Bit. Awesome. Remember, this is a new project, guys. So this is absolutely amazing. Okay, that they've gotten this, all right, in this little short period of time. All right, so let's go back, come out of here, and we're back. All right, so there you have it. My quick update on 8-Bit Farm. Go check it out. Link is in the description, and the wallet address you're gonna need to use when you invest your crypto and start your new stakes is in the description. Go check it out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, see what it's all about. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.